back to another video. It's me, Morrison. Right now we're at a church, gathering around for our song practice. In a couple weeks, Easter's coming up, so we're getting ready for that. Welcome to the new viewers. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys when we start.
She says I will make you happy, that he does. 너랑 또 입에 대기서 고아바래 아니라 베베 안내하 소지시 디베고 아메로를 페리다스 오아치
Okay, how is your practice? We atut mamayo. Mamayo, mamayo. Mamayo, mamayo. Supun metro. Supun kairu. Supun kairu. We have some folks to ask questions. Kafe to? Atur sugege. I no sister. No sister. Hello. Say something to the vlog.
Hello.
Say something to the vlog. Okay. All right. Okay. Siapa tahu pan betul makan coki all you can eat. Supun metera.
Help yourself and then tofu.
Supun alabobo. What is that? Alabobo. May apa? Farm lain. Mere cengke kerawan all you can eat again. Evan? Oh. We have a new guest in the house. She traveled from Chuk. She used to be on the vlog. Now she's back. So, so now you have to talk to your viewers in Chuk so you can get us some subscribers.
Ewer, I'm back. Kiri so gani ko trend. Pan, an para di bili take. Rida, ay kapog. Ngeri roka viewers.
All right. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching from Chuk, please don't forget to subscribe. Yes. Okay. So now we're time to eat. Apsap ka po. Apsap ka po.
Wakabong. Me practice Easter. Kapong irigewe si Pastor FNDA.
M3E. All right. Okay. Thank you, Bri. I want. All right. Now we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat. Akrofite shiraru rori kurok shu. Hap me aru rori kurok sa pacar buga.
Ko pacakwen.
Okay, so capur kan nari puri rupa. Sapor sup, rice, donuts, pilawa. Pakai soy non, ya puede pakai pasir lagi.
Kesa para kiri so si ko yang pa mo.
Kapong ngeri
cotton medicine. Happy advance Easter. Get happy medicine.
Lekker. Mutta vetsi perre. Ready. Kids fito serio fermi. Sejak sejak bawa mungkin restoran pada fellowship murin kakun. Nah, tak kisi macam pecahkan kakun, begitu macam siri murin kakun, keempat hari ini sirayo. Nggak. Sudah pun. Kapas.
Uy, tibingag ko ato.
Hello, Paul. Yeah, is it couple? Now we get through some sock couple.
Lepo nga din ngeri kemi medicine. Ito po si para mo ngo. Isto capur ngeri cara ora ke mo ngo. Isto capur.
Thank you. Chuck, couple. Shoot, couple.
Umaira ats kapong Kristo.
Okay, thank you. You want to say something?
Oh no, thank you.
All right, I'm going to turn it back to Mr. Okay, I'm going to turn it back to Marlson so he can say something because he's supposed to be vlogging tonight, but now I'm taking over, so he's going to have to take it back again. Okay.
What am I? What's up, guys? We just finished song practice. It was a great night. Stay tuned for the Easter videos. We got maybe 3 more practices left, or 4. And yeah, now we're just eating, hanging out, and just waiting to go home. Are we also picking up the camera tomorrow? We're also gonna film tomorrow's service, so yeah, you guys stay tuned. Like, subscribe.
Yes, we're gonna vlog tomorrow, so continue on the vlog tomorrow. For right now, it's just dinner time. The time now is probably 12 o'clock, midnight, but that's all right. It's always nice to get something to eat. All right. Ito, widzę kwartera soup. I like your haircut, man. Who cut your hair? Huh?
Where are you?
That's the new barber guy in town? Huh? Okay. Say something.
Hello, everybody.
I don't know what to say.
Did you enjoy going to the buffet today?
Oh, yes. Us ladies went to the buffet for Latrine's birthday and Lay's birthday. It was very fun. Yummy food. We eat too much.
Didn't we? Say hi. I haven't seen you for a long time. Huh? You been hiding? Huh? I'm gonna ask some questions to these ladies because they. I was told that it's Andy Latrin's birthday last week. And who? Oh, and Lay. Oh, so we're gonna ask some questions. All right. Would you kindly help me out and answer some questions, please? Yeah, Erako, because I'm gonna pass the mic over to these young ladies so they can answer some questions. I was under the impression that it's your birthday this week, the whole week. So please say something. Happy belated birthday.
Thank you
Say what you're grateful for.
for everything in life.
Did you enjoy your?
I'm very blessed and grateful to be loved by.
All right. Thank you, Chris, for loving your beautiful wife. Hey, let's record. I need to ask you a question. Okay, it'll be short. Okay, say what you're grateful for.
Eso. Cristo helikopterin marami kutsakun. Cristo.
Happy belated birthday.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, thank you very much, Andy Latrin, for taking the time to say something on the vlog. I'm gonna give it to this beautiful young lady too. Did you want to say something?
No, thank you. Ya Kristo buyasyo rin.
Okay. Neodoro Puchigoro Warwara Etik. Kandonaro Etiket. Etikere. Mira, ik heb alweer our friends City Chuk. Yeah, please make sure to tell them to subscribe. Watch the video. Okay? Huh?
Hintay po for right side. Wararan. Poster nakita ba M3E. Please subscribe.
Subscribe. All right, I think I'm gonna put the camera down for now. We'll pick it up again tomorrow. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow on the next vlog. And don't forget to check out the merch and like, share, and say good night for now. All right, thank you. Wait! I'm following you. Good morning, Yuki. Let's read. No, where is it?
She said she told you guys.
When did she tell us?
She told Elston. I'm honest.
Nope. So you're gonna go? Huh?
But she said the 20 is in her jacket.
Huh?
The 20 is in her jacket.
Okay, then.
And she didn't break it.
Okay, so take it. Take this one. Go break it. Okay. Good morning, folks. Another day. Yeah, check me.
Like a store?
Uh-huh.
Can I have a key?
It's with the boss right here.
I said, give me a key. Oh, that's not the boss.
This is the boss right here. Right?
You have the key?
It's what Marlos.
Happy Sunday. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah.
You get stuck all the time. Oh my goodness. Elston gets stuck. Elston gets stuck all the time. Merry Christmas. Welcome to another video. Today is another day. Sunday, and yes, We're just about to get started, and we're waiting for folks from Portland, Oregon, ICC Oregon, so that they're coming to our church today. Mommy's here. Wait. Say hi. Hey, come here. Come. Say hi.
No.
No.
Happy Sunday.
No. Say something, please.
Happy Sunday.
This is the All right, anyway, we're going to start the church later. We're just waiting for folks to come back, and then we'll get started. Peace. Everyone who comes through that door, they have to say hi. So say hi to the vlog, please.
Hi. Happy Sunday, everyone.
Happy Sunday, Ide. Ide and I happen to be to have the same birthday, right? Why are you smiling? Huh? Why are you laughing? Huh? Okay, where's Marlson? Okay, we got some more people coming in today. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Who's that? Nono's sister? Good morning, Nono's sister. Hey, don't set up the mic, okay?
It's already set up.
Who set it up? The kafir? Oh. Good morning. Oh, Kir Warawar. Good morning. Okay, our visitors are here. We're going to welcome them. Nep. Okay, church done. We're part of the white chocolate, the vanilla ice chocolate.
When are you coming to France?
Yes. What more? Huh? No. That's it. Okay, take care, okay? Okay, love you. Mr. Jabur. Kisah Sefat.
White semester.
Oh.
Zo stem.
Iso Chapura. Yeah. Oh wow, you play ukulele? You play the uke? Why'd you guys eat all their food? Huh? Is it for them or for you guys? Actually, it's for us. Because I'm hungry. That's what I'm eating.
Hey, get your home. Get your yeah, and then y'all can carry those, and then we'll get these.
For them. You're gonna put it in your car. I'll take it.
All of them. That's all of them. Bye. Marcel. Oh, you gotta come in. What? Nothing. I'm following you. You don't think that's funny? It is funny that I'm following you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye to our Oregon pastors. We're seeing them off. Everyone's saying goodbye. We'll be seeing you back in Easter.
If there's two,
Okay, okay. Bye bye. All right, time to put you down. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, check out the merch, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.